Hey, this is Jason Smith with Responsible Timber. We provide portable sawmill services in the Middle Tennessee area. Hope you enjoy this short clip. As I was sawing up a cherry log the other day, I thought I'd take a quick video and just give you a glimpse into some of the things that we can do. We work with home builders, excavation companies, landscape architects, landowners, and woodworkers, and a whole host of other professionals. Feel free to reach out, give me a call, and let's talk about a project that you have on your mind. It's absolutely free, and I'm happy to share whatever knowledge that I have to help your project be a successful one, especially when it comes to logs and lumber.